This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
In the passenger's footwell, operate the bonnet release lever. Lift up the safety catch, open the bonnet and support it with the strut. Place chocks either side of one of the rear wheels. Fully apply the handbrake, place the workshop jack under the reinforced section of the sill and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill or subframe rear mounting point. Repeat this procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Position a draining container under the sump drain plug. Slacken and remove the drain plug. If possible, try to keep the plug pressed into the sump whilst unscrewing it by hand the last couple of turns. Recover the sealing ring from the drain plug. After all the oil has drained, clean the area around the drain plug opening. Then wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and fit a new sealing washer. Refit the plug, tightening it to the specified torque. Move the container into position under the oil filter, which is located on the front of the cylinder block. Then, using an oil filter removal tool if necessary, slacken the filter initially and then unscrew it by hand the rest of the way. Empty the oil in the old oil filter into the container. Use a clean rag to remove all oil, dirt and sludge from the filter sealing area on the engine. Check the old filter to make sure that the rubber sealing ring hasn't stuck to the engine. If it has, carefully remove it. Apply a light coating of clean engine oil to the sealing ring on the new filter, then screw it into position on the engine. Tighten the filter firmly by hand only. Do not use any tools. Remove the old oil and all tools from under the car, then lower the car to the ground. Remove the dipstick, then unscrew the oil filler cap from the cylinder head cover. Fill the engine using the correct grade and quantity of oil. An oil can spout or funnel may help to reduce spillage. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the higher mark on the dipstick. Refit the filler cap. Start the engine and run it for a few minutes. Check for leaks around the oil filter seal and the sump drain plug. Note that there may be a delay of a few seconds before the oil pressure warning light goes out when the engine is first started, as the oil circulates through the engine oil galleries and the new oil filter before the pressure builds up. Switch off the engine and wait a few minutes for the oil to settle in the sump once more. With the new oil circulated and the filter completely full, recheck the level on the dipstick and add more oil as necessary until the level is up to the higher mark on the dipstick. Unclip and fold away the strut. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock.